Hi and welcome to this video instruction on how to set up and prepare a machine for the installation of the B4 RPA technology. In this video, we are going to prepare a machine on the AWS cloud. The Amazon cloud in this case is only meant as an example platform, and you may set up a machine in your own IT infrastructure or with a different IT infrastructure provider. You can also find the system requirements and installation guide in the documentation section for the technical reference to this video. It is highly recommended to use a dedicated machine and a newly installed Windows server for the B4 controller installation. Please check the latest supported servers in the technical documentation. In this case, we are going to prepare a 2019 Windows server. The minimum requirements are 6 CPUs, 12 GB memory, and 200 GB of disk space. We will choose a machine with a bit more available resources for this installation. Next, we will add storage. Once the process is completed, we need to ensure that the machine has the appropriate ports open in the security group settings. This includes the outbound port 2501, which is required in order for the B4 controller to connect to the AmdoSoft update server. Port 80 and 443 are an alternative option. Furthermore, we need to enable inbound port 2501, which is required for any remote bots to communicate with the controller. Inbound port 80 or 443 can be enabled if the controller dashboard should be accessible from outside the controller environment. As a side note, AmdoSoft and B4 is installed in many high-level security environments and can accommodate a variety of special requirements. Please contact our technical support if you need more information. Lastly, before you continue any installation steps, it is advisable to create a snapshot of the machine. Thank you for watching.